Everyone is talking about AI agents. But before business start using agents, there is one question I think is important to ask. Who is controlling the work? An agent is not just a chatbot. It can read information, prepare responses, update your records, summarize documents, and sometimes influence decisions. That sounds powerful, but it also means the business needs to understand what the agent is allowed to do and what it should never touch, and when the human needs to review. And let's talk a little bit what AI agents can do. They can reduce manual work, they can speed up admin, they can support reporting, they can draft responses, and also they can summarize documents. They can help your team move faster. But there is where the business needs to be careful. If the agent is working inside the weak processes, it does not fix them automatically. It may simply move the weak process faster. Let's talk a little bit about the risks. For example, if the data is unclear, the agent may use unclear data. If the approval process is weak, the agent may move work through the weak approval process. If nobody owned the decision, the agent may produce the answer that looks confident but is not properly controlled. They start with a tool, they should start with the governance. Governance does not need to be complicated. It means answering simple questions before you automate. What is allowed to change? What should it never touch? Where does a human need to review the output? Where are the logs? Who is responsible if something goes wrong? These questions are not boring. They are difference between useful automation and operational risk. This is especially important in finance, healthcare, clinics, and any business where data, compliance, customers, or money are involved. So, how do you actually control an AI agent? Start by giving it boundaries. Define what it can access. Can it read customer data? Can it see financial information? Can it open emails, documents, tasks, or recordings? Define what it can change. Can it update records? Can it send a message? Can it create a task? Can it approve anything? Define what must stay human. Anything involved judgment, risk, money, customers, compliance, or final approval may need human review. Then the business needs logs. If the agent takes an action, the business should know what happened, when it happened, what information was used, and who is responsible. That is how AI agents become safer. AI agents can be useful, but they need proper system around them. Clean data, clean roles, approval points, and audit trials. Human review where judgment matters. That is Koryst's approach. Structure first, then automation, then AI. Because the best AI system is not the one that looks most impressive in the demo. It's one that works safely inside the real business. So before you ask which AI agent should we use, ask this first. Is our business structured enough for an AI agent to operate safely? If the answer is no, fix the structure first. That is where the real value starts.